Bad news tonight for a Bahamian attorney who was hoping to have criminal charges stayed. This after a Supreme Court justice made his judgment. Cleopatra Murphy, though, tells us tonight the attorney in question is also facing international backlash in the middle of allegations of fraud.
Supreme Court Justice Ian Winder has dismissed a motion by attorney SHAVON BETHEL seeking to have charges of fraud, perjury, and possession of forged documents stayed, stating that the application was disingenuous. The UK-based Bar Standards Board recently ordered that BETHEL be disbarred from the Bar of England and Wales after it came to light that BETHEL, who was a counsel and attorney of the Supreme Court of the Bahamas, made false claims of receiving his LLB law degree from the University of London. An untruth the board said was supported by fake degree certificates the attorney produced dated March and July 2005 when he applied to become a student member of Inner Temple. BETHEL was called to that bar in 2013. In a release, Director of Professional Conduct Sarah Jagger said, "The public have a right to expect barristers to be honest and act with integrity. By falsely claiming that he obtained a degree from the University of London, Mr. BETHEL acted in a deceitful and dishonest way. The fact that he forged certification to embellish his deception was a further indication that Mr. BETHEL is not a suitable person to be a member of the Bar of England and Wales." In August, BETHEL's attorney argued that the matter had been adjudicated before Senior Justice John Isaacs in 2013, who had ordered the Bahamas Bar Association to issue BETHEL a certificate of good standing at the end of the proceedings. The prosecutor also argued that the Bar Association had a letter from the University of London stating that the degrees had been forged, information the association did not have access to at the time. Outside court today, Bahamas Bar Association President Elsworth said BETHEL could be disbarred as the matter is before its ethics committee.
The Commissioner of Police and his fine team of officers, they're working on this matter, but everybody deserves a fair hearing, a fair trial, and Mr. BETHEL has indicated that he intends, through his lawyer, he intends to appeal this matter, and so we see where it goes. But the bar stands fortified in its position. And I want to say to all of our members that we must be guided by our first rule. And I'm not speaking to Mr. BETHEL, but that of integrity.
Johnson says the bar has also been in communication with the Bar Standards Board.
I want to thank all of the persons who worked along with the bar. They have said what they've done in terms of Mr. BETHEL. Mr. BETHEL has an opportunity, as they've indicated to us, to appeal their decision, and he has until the 24th of November.
The president of the Bahamas Bar Association says everyone is entitled to due process, and if BETHEL believes the decision was wrong, he will make an appeal. Cleopatra Murphy, ZNS Network News.